This video will show you how to password protect a WordPress block with the Restricted Blocks plugin. Start by creating a new restriction from the Restrictions menu. Then, set password as the restriction type and enter a password. This is an example article that includes an image block. You can password protect this block with the restriction we just created. In the front end, the image block is now protected with a password. Your visitors can at any time see the content associated with this block by entering the correct password.